Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can multitask and split each application according to however you want. Well, not really however, but in a very aspect ratio kind of dimensions. So there's two ways of doing that. I'm going to bring in my recording screen as well over here. As you can see, this is the recording screen and this is the Chrome browser right behind. I'm also going to bring out Spotify because why not? So if I take my Spotify and if I basically hold this part, as you can see, I can split it in these manners. Now personally, this is what I like to do. As you can see, this top little lip on top, you can just take it over there and basically choose it however you want. And then I can choose this one and then finally just take it up here and choose it like that. And that's it. Voila, I have now split my one monitor into 3 different screens and I can use it however I want. So all you have to do is either hover it over here on the maximize and minimize button, or just take it to this top part and basically, you know, arrange it however you like. And the best part is they give you this acrylic look on how the application is gonna look, and yeah, that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.